The epic Manas is an eternal cultural heritage that reflects the spirit of the Kyrgyz nation. In 1995, the General Assembly of the United Nations recognized the epic as part of the cultural heritage of humanity. A Manaschi serves as a chronicler of his era and a unique bearer of collective memory. For thousands of years, the Kyrgyz people have transmitted the Manas epic orally from generation to generation, preserving its spiritual core. In 1995, within the framework of UNESCO, the 1000th anniversary of the epic Manas was celebrated in the Talas region of the Kyrgyz Republic. In 1995, the UN declared the 1000th anniversary of the epic Manas worldwide. Kyrgyzstan showcased its great heritage on the international stage. Over the past 30 years, Manas has become a platform for intercultural dialogue among nations. Over 30 years, excerpts of the epic have been translated into verse and prose in a total of 28 countries. Over the 150 years during which the epic has been the subject of scholarly study, thousands of research works have been conducted and dozens of dissertations defended. Manas is not only merely a literary work, it constitutes the cultural code and historical legacy of the Kyrgyz people. It preserves the history of ancient nomadic civilizations in the mountains and steppes, the language of their ancestors, their values and traditions, their worldview, and the enduring ideals of unity and freedom. In 2019, the Kyrgyz Republic has established the National Manas Academy. In 2022, the Kyrgyz Republic has established the Kyrgyz National Manas Theater. On December 4, 2013, in Baku, Azerbaijan, UNESCO's Intergovernmental Committee for the Safeguarding of the Intangible Cultural Heritage placed the epic trilogy Manas, Simitey, and Seytek on the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The World Nomad Games emerged in Kyrgyzstan as an embodiment of the nomadic spirit in the world.